When you feel the weight of the world on your shoulders, when gravity's pulling you down from the light, don't ever forget when it seems it's the hardest. That's when you rise to the highest of heights. When you climb out of the cave you're in, you'll finally understand that the one who made you always held you in his perfect hands. Oh, you are a diamond, so bright, treasured and priceless, a timeless work of art. We see the gleam inside your heart. When you feel under pressure, it's just making you stronger. Remember, you were born for this. You are a diamond.